Welcome to .NET Lab. I am Rahul Jograna and this is the part 9 of Ionic tutorial series. So in this tutorial I am going to show you a radio button in Ionic. So let's go and start it. So in my previous tutorial I have shown you that how you can use checkbox in your Ionic application. So and here we are discuss radio button. So like a checkbox, a radio button is an Ionic input component that hold a boolean value like true and false. Under the hood, radio are no different than HTML radio input. However, like other Ionic component, radio are styled different on each platform. Unlike checkbox, radio component from group where only one radio button can be selected at a time. Same as our HTML radio button, we can only select one radio button from a group of radio button. So this is how you can select one single value from set of group of value. So use the checked attribute to set the default value and the disable attribute to disable the user changing that value. So same as we have working so far in checkbox video tutorial, you can disable your checkbox by using disable attribute. So here you can see we have one gender attribute. Within that we can select only one element from there, either male or female. So this is how you can use the radio button in your Ionic application. So let's go and start it and implement a radio button selection from your Ionic application. So here I am moving to my project which we are working so far in this video tutorial. So we have Ionic blank application. So in previous tutorial we have implement checkbox. So here we are implementing a radio button. So within that we are implementing radio button using ion list. So here we are implement and selecting a one radio button from available source of male and female, which is our gender value. From that we are selecting only one. So here we are grouping through using radio group. So I am writing radio group within ion list. So within ion list, I am add a header for our ion list. So ion list and header. So our header respectively to the gender, because we are selecting only one gender from there. So within a gender, let's implement ion item. So ion item shows that what item placed in a group of radio button. So we have placed an item as a male and second item as a female. So within an item, let's implement ion label, which will indicate the label of your ion item. So we are put one male within an ion label, and let's implement ion radio button. So radio and radio, and you can select the checked or unchecked property by here. So we are not putting it right now. So you can use a value for passing data from one page to another. So here I am writing a value as a male. Save changes, and let's copy this text again and paste it here. Let's save let's remove this change female and save changes is there also. Let's save changes and reload our web page. So here you can see we have gender as our header and male and female as our radio button. You can see we have rounded button, so we can select only one of them. So this is how you can use a radio button. So you can use a check or uncheck property. So checked equal to true. So this is defaultly true in your checkbox item list, sorry, a radio button item list. So you can see we have default checked item as a male. So you can also disable here from there. So disable equal to true or false, you can set that. So you can see we have disable this attribute using disable property. So this is how you can use radio button in your Ionic application. So here you can find other resource if you want to learn ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, AngularJS, ASP.NET Web API, and Angular 2, then visit my YouTube channel. There is a playlist available from beginner. You can learn from there. And to get a new notification on new updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get you get a notification for updates. So source code are also available on my asp.net in hindi.blogspot.com, and the project are also available on my website and GitHub page. So you need, if you want to develop your application, then contact me. I will create your web application like website and your Android application and iOS application. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates.